Okay, let's get started with our daily math lesson. So this lesson is for Monday, May 11th. Once again, we're going to start off math with our daily math review. So as I'm looking at the questions here, I'm going to let you, so I think you're ready to do those without me. So these three here, I would like to review rounding to the nearest hundred. So that's what this second box is asking. So I'm just going to pick one here. I'm going to pick, let's do 433. So if I want to think about 433, round that to the nearest hundred. So remember your benchmark hundreds. It's the hundred that you're on. So I want to know, is that number closer to 400 or 500? Whoops. Thinking about that on a number line, boys and girls. Okay, there's 400. There's 500. Let me just erase this. Move this over just a little bit. So where would 433 fall on that number line? Well, I know that right down the middle is 450. So if I think about counting by tens, 410, 420, 430, 400, 440. Okay, so that's 430. So that's going to be about right here. So when you think about that, there's your midline. That's closer to 400 than it is to go all the way to 500. If you didn't have that number line, you might not need it. Okay, so if you're thinking about rounding to the nearest hundred, find the digit in the hundreds, look next door. If that's 5 or higher, you're going to add one more. If it's 4 or less, you're going to let it rest at 400. So that number is closer to 400. Okay, so that's our daily math review. So just for Monday, we know that review for all these math skills, boys and girls, is super important. We need to keep revisiting old skills so our brains do not forget all that good information. So in your packet, you've got a whole bunch of little question cards. Okay, reviewing polygons, quadrilaterals. So what I want you to do is, you don't have to do them in any particular order. So you're going to try to answer them. What type of quadrilateral is this? Take a guess, circle it. Now, I did put the answers in here, boys and girls, but I don't want you to look at them until you're all done. So just a quick peek, okay? So just go ahead and experiment with that. That shouldn't take too long. Oh, excuse me. I do also for Monday, I want you to fill out your multiplication and division fact families. There's 4 of them. Remember, you can do 2 multiplication, 2 division. All right? So that is your work for Monday, daily math review, the polygons and quadrilaterals, little question task cards, and then 1 page of the fact families. Okay? All right, have a great day.